Hey. I come here say, hey, I'm you, I try me photo. I don't think I will want to name a classmate. I don't mean tagging in oh, my baby, I'm going crazy long time ago in Bethlehem. No, Bobby, come on there. I don't just but don't swim, man. Yes, you. Although you're the body in Casota, you're the one in Pig. Mejano, remember me the way I used to remember me the way I used to and your crow, love go, or dog on your dog, love come, or the banner, yes, if you mama yanka could tell each other, or no one hand can meet you. Chalaman for a page, you tap and down a dollar. Now, Miss Medical, they say, if we a caca business, buy one get two free for your girlfriend, mosquito, buy one get free for your. I live for that Christmas, I rap you. I young come, so do you won't find no, Bobby, come on there. My name is Now. My name is Kay. I told me Father Christmas. Hey, the whole Ghana. Within the didn't cheer but your capre. As soon as you are the within the bottom, I beg a sapo. Now, Beshawa Conta. Mitiboni, oh, may. Mitiboni, now, I come here say, I'm your Johnny photo. I will want to name a classmate. Don't mean tagging in oh, my baby, I'm going crazy. Long time ago in Bethlehem. Young come, so you won't try. Now, bombing come on there. I don't just walk. I told those you want. Yes, you. Although you're the one in Casota, you're the one in Pig. Mijano, remember me the way I used to. Remember me the way I used to. Love go, love come, or the banner, into my yanka could tell each other, or the one can lead you with show, up and down a dollar. Now, Miss Medical, and Casay mosquito girl. Buy one, get one free for your girlfriend. I'm skinny mosquito girl. Buy one, get one free for your.
and Kobe
Cherry Justice.
It's tasty and delicious. I want my breakfast pizza. Every day and every night. I want some breakfast pizza. It's hot.
For the tastiest pizzas, come to Papa's Pizza. We serve it hot from the oven, just how you want it and anytime you want it. Enjoy quick, tasty pizzas served at the customer's convenience. We deliver and offer in-car services too. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Tasa wato me site ho nyina a start papa ye woto tile fix cement ya anka wo nyina ma me pese me service kakra so de project nso en ye total fix cement papa ne bo nso ofom se wo de totals ya afebo bag ba ko 50 kilograms ai they are certified by Ghana Standards Authority woto nso a free transport akwa Accra anatema ba bia enti more savings. Tile fix cement yi na nya bi ohe tile fix cement enena titru tile shops ya wakantamanto nyina Accra dodua Fred Tylon Ghana Company Limited 0244 421 635 and then 0548 807720. Tile fix, quality for less.
Get ready for the biggest gathering of football stars in Accra this year. It's the second annual Ghana Football Awards. Who wears the ultimate crown as the 2019 Ghana Footballer of the Year? Find out at the Accra Marriott Hotel on Sunday, 21st July, as winners of many other categories are announced amidst glamour and drama. The Ghana Football Awards is powered by AE Mediacom and Activate 360 and proudly supported by the Multimedia Group. Sponsors Land Rover Ghana, Nasco Electronics, Ghana Football Awards, celebrating the stars of our passion. Joy FM has continued the annual tradition of the Beauty and Bridal Fair, an exhibition filled with everything you need to make your wedding a success. This year will be no different. Join us at the Accra International Conference Center from Thursday, July 11 to Sunday, July 14, 2019 for all wedding-related goods and services, decor, dresses, honeymoon packages, and everything in between. Be part of the marriage seminar and the fashion show on July 14 at exactly 2 p.m. For more information, please contact 024-647-7783 or 054-010-6466. This Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair is brought to you by Joy 99.7 FM and sponsored by Ruby's Bridal, 925 Jewelers, creating treasures for a lifetime. Angel's Beauty Supplies, it's all about looks. Yummy yogurt, always different, truly different. GT Bank, wouldn't you rather bank with us? Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair, where your beauty comes alive and your walk down the aisle begins.
Ghana Numina had a boss.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Right, that's right. Check your time now, 37 after 5. Welcome back to the show. Your own show. Yes, Freestyle Friday, Ofie Kwanso on 106.3 FM. That's this new joint from Kofi Kinata. And I must say, I know that Joe, Adam and Eve, a jam.
Washa makumemu achal papa nendegina mamungo na montoma kada modawa na babo lata obidawa aya dudonibio mama ngasanchal samodawa omge dudonibio achala na le along chawe yiva na de ya wanda mame me Adam mame ya sundu na moso me ya sundu da abenti na ya album chade yiva na de ya wanda mame me Adam Shada ya sundu na musume ya sundu da ya fumbo me ya album ka track 1 no ya best start the intro mama ya verse na be end the rap no track 2 no very romantic we propose the rain na me say yes I do pe track 3 no oya zonto one boy on disco one fanto I don't go na track 4 no Diana gospel wedding reception one sample one chapel na track 5 adult music jiggy story different story, family story. Shawe yiva na de ya wada. Mame me Adam, mame ya sundu na moso me ya sundu da. Abenti na ya album. Shade yiva na de ya wada. Mame me Adam, shade ya sundu na moso me ya sundu da. Ye fumbo me ya album. I can feel the love in the air, the flower jemo there. Back in the shaky heavy, say me winning in a so I wanna me pay. Mama me check with there.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I go in the West Side Taddy boy in the slow way. Kofukaka, what's our pedadaba? Shama mo hosepa, Nimo Wadawa, Hamasato Dama Magaba, Ubisaya Mama Wata. No, me a papa wata. I'll catch a grenade, can a grenade. I mean, I'll catch a bouquet for you. I'll take you on a date, 15 to be a cake. I will do anything for you.
And that's the brand new one from Kofi Kinata, Adam and Eve. Beautiful song. Yeah. And then it will be my pa. The fella bro in no time. But before we do that, I'm reminded was Ghana Football Awards. So get ready for the biggest gathering of football stars in Accra. This year, we are the second annual Ghana Football Awards. Now, who wears the ultimate crown? as the 2019 Ghana Footballer of the Year. Find out at the Accra Marriott Hotel on Sunday, the 21st of July 2019. As winners of many other categories are announced amidst glamour and drama. The Ghana Football Awards is powered by AE Mediacom and Activate 360 and proudly supported by the Multimedia Group and DSTV. It is sponsored by NASCO Electronics. Ghana Football Awards, celebrating the stars of our passion. Afetie Medical catch that just to remind you, say MTN mobile money, MTN Momo, and they almost celebrate your 10th anniversary. Yes, the journey of 1,000 smiles began 10 years ago, and to celebrate this, MTN is giving away 10 brand new Hyundai vehicles in the MTN Momo at 10 promo, including the all-new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe as the grand prize, and I-10 Marco Console 9 account. You could also win other exciting prizes like the Samsung Smart TV, and then up to 3,000 Ghana cedis in e-cash every month, and so much more. Just keep using your MTN Momo more for your everyday transactions to build your points. I'll be winning big from now till the end of August 2019. Only on Ghana's best network. Just dial *120# to check your points. Terms and conditions apply. So go on and just Momo it. We did for you everywhere you go. Now talking about mobile money, no, and then so Guarantee Trust Bank, me check GT Bank. Almost so payment. I a very easy crowd. They say you have cash in your share. And I'm going to introduce you a groundbreaking way to pay, where a mobile money payment on GT Bank POS devices. So now you can make payment for your goods and services via MTN Mobile Money, Vodafone Cash, and then Airtel Tigo Money as well on any GT Bank POS device. Very simple. At the payment point, now I opted to pay with mobile money on your GT Bank on a GT Bank POS device. What providing merchants now with your phone number, and then a payment alert be authenticated on the GT Bank POS device. Now I send it to your mobile phone. Be authorize the transaction on your phone with your PIN, and voila, out there merchants will be receiving cash now, and as a payment instantly. So making payment just got more exciting. Pay effortlessly and conveniently with mobile money on GT Bank POS devices today. Businesses, shops, merchants, how do you know? Mon contact Guarantee Trust Bank or 050-410-0282. Namon Sankan GT Bank POS devices. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? And Stonebwoy is also out with another brand new song. Man, it's also a jam. He call it Top Seed.
Yeah, you know.
One God.
Stonebwoy, one God. One God again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Come to sing another one for them. Hear me out. Me see them clearly now, looking for reasons to take me down. Ignorance plus envy now. Anyhow, bless man, a long time. You no can't touch me, man, a sunshine. I'm burning, I fall in the night and I rise in the morning. I only if they knew that I am a seed. Yeah. They would never dig me down.
say no money say me aduaba pa and come on your madrin some de me be share for. My God. Let me share for my friend and me be free pa na my be mighty tree. That's all about this song, you know. Shouts going out to you, Cole Francis. Zigame. Boko there. Nyame Adom on the 23rd of July. A walk of Fredia Jubilee Park. Yeah, Ben Galloway. A ho and yeah, papa ya di na Mr. Isaac Kwesi Brew of Total 2. Yeah, when you baby corner. The 1 week observation or ebe baso. Tia ton safrado fo nyina. Ifiti no passes kopme number 6 and adwumedi ne be koso on the 23rd of July. Na nyame ya adom so a ochina and a 1 week observation. Yeah, Ediama, Mr. Felix Minta in Tiamwa, Dodo na friend Ejaya. Body line. Yeah, on also what kind Chiregu no on also the 1 week no Ebe Baso, our Glory Assemblies of God, Sakumono Estate, Community 13, Tema. Into Ochina no pan 9, and I said you made so Ebe Koso. ATP, Nuyan Munania Busha 49, body line, Juma 49. Yamamuni na shede. Ochina nyame adomwa. Ibishia ho. Na 1 week observation also no akoso. All right, so it's filler time. Say ye dear konkonsa na yakoyenim.
Yep, mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Okay, fella.
Na ene. Mia mi chocho mucho.
Fella. This be the 23rd.
Mia mi chocho mucho.
Fellow.
My dear Gina. Big is beautiful. They don't know.
Ghana Show Business 2010.
Saminiwaa is in the building.
Yeah.
And she's a tough seed, you know.
Yeah, and ambassador Mokosra or Mampenia. Wetrim ko
Papa Kufo
Omoko Naija Tadia gay crochet as original stage or perform me a man for trouble na say na get when in so Adiana say Buna Punipa. Oh company I share and show your stomach and kick out. Yeah, until 2 years and I say Munia Wohin. When I'm say in some bar say you in free ambassadorial listeners so just say youth employment agency no camp or more ambassadors no and I girl ya some bear ya say Instagram ya or that better ho say say na adwuma kra na abona e no nche say wa hire ne nkwa and I'm from Gaza. Hey, what you drag crowd do? I buy what was this? What you drag crowd do? Bro, what's none of me found in Yejuma?
Bro, what's none of me?
Now that's all they just be up and say, one way to shame found. Yes, a bro, once.
Yeah,
Hannah, dear, how ambassadorial do young Kaja and the Kraska Kabekobutu. Was she
I am pass or my Jeffin because let feel like being success now, most say, oh, and
there's a more official list or website is paid income. How is that an error?
Yeah,
intend your more massive.
Okay.
Now, Emsa Kenata around why ye media interviews can cry and now, or Cassa say, the birthday be a train. On our calls be brave now. Calls the mobile corner. Nipa no kasa, nipa no boni di ndie. Non die, ne die. Pep se Castro.
And it sounded like
pep se Castro. Why you?
Oh yeah, sure say as I don't know any day.
Minim say be a done or die and see fini so year. And also got say Castro ni and uncle for Castro.
Castro can send it.
When be one chair and I'm say, it's a Castro more than a Castro. Yes, such as 2020 I hear. Don't pronounce him dead.
I say now it be doing that time now.
Because I didn't be a Castro, but Castro that bender. Where's the offer me? Where's the me who know what I say? Castro is that bender.
And no beba.
Now Jerry. asema ye drew sweet ye asem na ehu ojai
serious matter
anka ye ka spices anka nim say spices dey aduane
ye dey aduane
ene ye dey wo no man ye dey asna ma kra ye ho spices hey Jari, Emma spices.
Easy.
Na we a bema na would say na me ampata na wo fall victim to we ya. Spices is a bia kawano na kama brabo mu da. And the hair salvation ya ye pre heavy. Who kwan ko bi da.
Serious.
Hey, Emma spices no.
Serious.
When eja ya ye nkrofo Adom online for gershon ne nkrofo. My interview just Mama G ya ne ho nsem aba bebre FDA say o machi Mama G and I say Mama G ton spices ne herbs ne nyam bi mu na I say you ba wo di siesie ho de kan wo baby a wo private person nyama na ebe ma be ma ti aka wo so yes ba ko bi oga lailo wone wine oga lailo oga be lailo ama check no one na be tro
for lelo cry
yes check na oga be jai check na show so sign show bi na be am signing to go me so try na be am signing
yes
when you say omo say I don't want like forgetting me say celebrities be and or say mommy way products na me story the class na trust celebrities am say Ghana get some phone so do obi bia yes celebrity obi bia make ye pie ye fan kwanche kra na eboni pedi a why the name no obi anim no say celebrities enko body say wine eja mama say one day fine beti ase wakọ echi onu say okọ shop okọ to turn nyama bi e budget so o kasa say oh Mama G products there oji tumu yie pa sans na say equiapin polo AJ pounds ane ne nkeka ho bebre na Jerry products tie bidin yes ba ko bi attraction sets and no 240 Ghana cedis ba ko bi so I say magagia and also 160 na ba ko bi I say drip me just say so drip me say hospital dripping so anyam pe na nim and I say ba ko bi fireman minim say so go na sponsor no meet
and na no dey o ja
o ja na showa na fireman 100 den nkeka wo na braja ye say gesi nyame ampata na o hie bi wo krom na wonnim na de ne be batawa brabo ho
aboka
it is a Jerry one come multimedia pay no salary no o fala
now the ATM card number now the code no so aka one man peko
question grandfa no de chego am bottom say ya hey oga lailo na ene na Mama G na so kan o say we dia we oba chese say o normal na o baby a on you to Mama G to say ye mo dey normal ye na mu kwa ye kwa ye nko bi o
chese mo no if
ye ni hope
they come taste normal
aimless o say I say enama ye
taste ni normal
I say e po anu na ma ye season ho enyan chese ye nde ye nkan bi na wo buy we use Mama G product a wo upgrade from a normal woman to a spicy woman.
Yehoah.
I said, Mammy, Abrego, when you woman who's so spicy woman, you are can't be the bender. The bender never dream so.
It's serious.
When eja or Chame Kwame say on the wedding or here cried, they see you so at 300 Ghana cedis. Huh? Son of patron to me.
Nampa walk right on the same.
Not ring in the car. I don't know 5 Ghana.
Okay, we there so there.
Boy, yeah, minim se casa.
Maybe that is the amount he spent like personally.
Ebia
na de aka no. Bet me aba say ebia no ba nkra wa to ne nema dada.
300 Ghana pure takrenso.
300 Ghana na papa wa kra to ne say.
Anya ka say na wo say okay you shoot 300 Ghana. And amount for mu use Mama G marry me ne nka amount aye. Amount no.
Charlie this one.
Lecha Afcon ya Ghana free mu ya. Hey. Enna ya therefore evangelist Apache or the Nwajimu
Papa sitting.
Papa say just say asofo na any komshefo na mo sorry a omoma prophecies na Afcon we na be lead ye be yi we team we nko semi final o say omo na omo ada
sa asofo na da
eh o say omo nyoma da na nyame o say
I wish think our time more pa e bizarre na evangelist Papa Shi na me patro bi aboko there
Rather than qua a chain and so was a shrine.
Ye danyamiasi. Na asamu awoken say ade na nko yi tina ma kan sa na say.
Oh me anka sa man you be a mission that pay attention to soccer anyway but meti the ekoso. But Don is a question concerning the prophecies.
Okay.
Yeah, obisa me say sofo na omo
concerning
soccer. But no crani ya me animu eni pa bi edi nyame dia grow Ghana.
Oche asofo ni bi na.
Yes. And na wo mu di Ghana for so ho few. So what you say? But the bread do say nyame bi ni mani concerning those false teachers and false prophets. As Yeshua Hamas she has predicted. Send the DH na throw edi for beba. Ebi di ni din ebeba, ebi beba be shenkom. Even the in letwa numpo say yanhwe ya omo beda die. God has nothing to do with the soccer. What must say souls are perishing.
Born na born en fawrade ho.
Fanya me ho ba bia. Temi pa.
Na say e boy ya Christopher nso mu a omo so nyame ma omo so nyame ma.
Ma men ka semba ko. Nyame ne po ni pa nyina.
No cre.
So what you say? Christo ni de wafa Yesu se ni wura ne na chenkwa. Temi pa. Na wonam nyame kwanso e boten abrabo. Or enter into the narrow gate.
It is that all Canadian that is the players no be any work cutting as how.
Ma men ka semba ko. Tina prayer bobo no akodum pempenso bi nya ni sika nya de obenya nyina wi na nyame dom no ye na dom no nyame ba. Timi pa we nyame ba. Because one fa Yesu Christ onye nyame ba. Timi pa. Obey sachra was me jai o na mi tunu na mi yesi timi. Born no got nothing to do with Yahweh. What must say born ye wiase ne ma.
It is so for no mu take delight or more attention what boss be no o person just say and nam nyame kwan mu
baby temi omo pe fame temi pa cheap fame omo pe fame and na bosire muka and na yoma menhwe
into what do you suggest we do to men of God no mo to say e kwan be ne mfa so
wo Bible say by their fruit you may know them aba wona so ene nkom hye tora wo hye run away from them because Jesus is coming. What must say? The draw attention. Yes, draw attention. Baby, be anyone man. So separation. Jesus Christ says, go eat to the world, preach the gospel to the poor. Are they preaching the gospel? Your gospel, no. What must say? And that gospel no more preaching. One person go me popular and go for a bon sema almost say almost shenko. Mama, a radi one near my baby person catch on my gun.
Me time was on the me ya pass mentioned any time. Nam person me business, but to the quick one, we last one. It if I say obi a so for now or you be a nenije born. Now if I say on one crowd on one team. Yes, so we the me team be a fancy. Aye. Now say
one years of war.
So for any ball
you cannot serve two masters, my brother tell me.
And I said born the on master or serving me, but born and any June.
Yes, it's quite one at 20 pennies. Oh, quite. What mamma no we are cinema. Obi do we are sending Yamidoni. Okay, born or Mokako, Bogana Blaster and Gasano, Womuko to do Timmy. Okay, me boss, software the last one. Yes, now so Womama Lamala, me patron, this evangelist nothing to do.
Last one. Enti Fanny said, Obi a Christo ni mapa. But nani jibo bon e meba ye bobo a TV achi o hwe bi ni ade o stadium o hwe enti Christo you shouldn't go to stadium and watch the soccer
to bebo a want here kire me ba bu mu e catch say Christo ni kokore soccer.
On that note no abusu edi besi adachi bia we shall revisit this issue with evangelist Papa Shi. Yeah, that's a part for your time this evening.
God bless you.
My goodness.